Hey y'all, did you hear that there's a new communist party here in the United States and that we're all going to be forced to join it soon? Check this out. This is a post I just wrote on Facebook. Update. I'm standing behind a new communist party that controls everyone. It's called the World Green Communist Party. You see, because people refuse to change on their own, we have to have a dictatorship that forces them to get real. No more cruise lines, no more dryers, no more toxic pesticides, no more chemicals at the store, no more plastic bags, no more wasteful and toxic automobiles that don't get good gas mileage, etc., or toxic houses either. You see, we know about all of these things and how wasteful and polluting they are, but most people make little or no effort to change because they just don't give a shit. Therefore, I'm backing the new World Green Communist Party to physically force Americans and others to change for the better. So there you have it. If people don't actually act responsibly, then we have to have a communist party, a green communist party, to force people to be that way. Thanks for joining me.